What's up, y'all? We're going to be heading to the gym. Okay. This is so cute and chic, y'all. This is so cute and chic. I had to get something red and white. Oh, I like that little packaging. Okay. I love this. I guess I may wear this today. I think I'm wearing this today. This cute t-shirt. It's my birthday. That's right. Leo season. Leo season. It's extra large. I love this. This is so cute and chic. This is so cute and chic. I love it. Yes, I love it. So I shop at Temu every other month. Because when I shop, you know, of course, we get more than one thing. And so it's not like I have to shop there every month. So let's see what this, oh yes, y'all. This was on pre-order. Oh, y'all gonna really love this. And it's a set, okay. So here's the shirt. Here's the shirt. Okay. Here's the shirt. Of course, it's extra large. I like it. I like it. Nice, comfortable material. The stretches. And here's the shorts. Oh, I love them. I like to buy sets. I like to buy sets and dresses because, you know, when you buy sets, you don't have to worry about trying to find something to match, you know? Yes, I like this. I may put this on today. I love it. That's a cute set. It is so cute. And of course, I got a nice, cute little bangle. Y'all know one of my favorite colors. Let's see, or do I have to? Coco, stop. Coco over there chewing on stuff already. This is so cute. Now she's running to the paper. Yeah, you can chew on that paper. And I always, before I put on my jewelry, I like to, before I wear my jewelry, I like to clean it. You can clean your jewelry with whatever you like. Okay. Cute bangle. Okay, open clasps. Okay, 18 karat gold plated. And that's orange. Okay, and it fits perfect. It fits perfect. It fits perfect. I got a lot of room still. I got room. It fits perfect, y'all. So thank y'all for watching my unboxing. Temu. If you all haven't tried Temu, what are you waiting for? Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos by chick babes, luxe babes, and fur babies.